Seems so far. I'll take your picture. So I say a little prayer. Against the light eh. Wala dito yung mga bisita, no? Tahimik, no? Today is Sunday. We just watched the float parade earlier this morning. And it seems like all the tourists, the visitors, didn't visit the PMA today. Maybe they're busy hanging around the parks in Baguio. Oo. And not in here. But not in here. Naumutot na naman ako. Naka-video pala to. I got gas. Ayan o, that barko because the auntie said, oh, saan pumunta si mama mo? Ba't nakasakay siya sa barko? Nakita ko may picture siya sa barko. Oh, sa PMA lang po yun. Display lang yung barko. Yeah, but this is actually the barko because this looks like a barko. Huh? Yeah. You go up there. And then I'll take your picture. This is a marine tank thingy. This is the anchor. This is number 57. Yeah, this is a good angle. Yes. And then you take a picture like that. And then you silip over there. Ready, aim, fire.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, fire!
Okay. This place is so quiet. Yep, with not so many people. It looks better when there are no. It looks better when there are not so many tourists, right? Oh, no tourists beyond this point.
Gilid-gilid, pahulog ang tao.
You're so noisy. Let's go.